Alright, so I'm Mr. Tutor, and we're going to go over some of the division methods. This is going to be the first video for partial quotients. Right here on the board you can see the way that most of us learned how to do it, which is long division, and here are the steps. This is partial quotients. It's going to be a combination of multiplication and place value, which is powers of 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing we would start with the long division. They're going to say, can 42 go into 8? They're going to say no. Can 42 go into 85? They'll say yes, and they'll put a 42 right here, because that's the divisor, so it's going to go right here. Now, this is where it's going to change a little bit. Off to the side, we're going to put a multiplied, because to get 42 down here, we multiplied by 1. Now, they can't subtract it like this, because the place values aren't lined up. This is a tens place in the hundreds, and this is the ones place, and it's over the tens. So in order to line up the place values, they're going to add a 0. Basically, they've now multiplied this not by 1, but by 10. So now they're going to subtract this, similar to the step over here. But they're going to take a large chunk away. So they have, let's see, this would be a 6, this would be a 3, this would be a 4. Now what they're going to do is they're going to do the whole process again. They're going to say, can 42 go into 4? No. Can it go into 43? And they'll say yes. And they're going to put the 42 over here again. And now they know they could times by 1. And again, they have the same place value problem. The place value slots are not lined up, so they add them a 0. And since they add a 0 there, they haven't times it by 1 now. They've times it by 10. So they put a 10 over here. And now they're going to subtract again. And they get a 6, a 1, and a 0. Now at this point, with partial quotients, they're looking at it and they're going, well, now I can't take 40 and take it from 16. There's no way to do that. So they know that this now becomes the remainder of the 16. Now it's called partial quotients because unlike long division, the quotient isn't all at the top. With partial quotients, the pieces are over here. It's in parts. And what they're going to do is they're going to add the parts together. 10 plus 10 is 20. And it has a remainder of 16. And they've now solved this using partial quotients. So that's how these two are related. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I will get back to you.